Today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego butterfly knife. Really simple. This is what it's going to look like when it's done. Give me a second, I'm going to take this apart real quick, and then we can build together. Okay, this is what you're going to need. You're going to need a 1/7 hold beam. One 13 beam. Two 15 beams. And two 9-hole beams. You also need 4 blue for these, 3 of these, and that is how you build that's how you're gonna actually build both handles. Here, let's start with you'll need these 2 pieces. Okay. You're also going to need this piece. So let's start it off. Sorry, that was my sister. Okay. Yeah, you'll need this and this along with this. Okay. First, connect 2 pieces, like so. Then, you use those 2 blue prong pieces, put those like that. Voila. You need 1 more of those black pieces, you do this. Then it'll look like this. Now, what you need to do is get those last 2 blue pieces. Oops, okay, we messed up. We forgot 1 piece. Sorry, you're gonna need 1 more piece right there, so it stays in place. Now you put this back on, yada yada yada. There you go. Now you bring back in those 3 prong blue pieces. Connect them wherever you want, just make sure they're not close together, like that. Connect these 2 pieces, like so, and that's how you build both handles, just like that. The handle's quite easy. Just make sure they're 3 prong. It doesn't matter what color it is. You need 4 of those blue prong pieces. Well, just 3 prongs. Make sure. You'll need 2 3-hole beams, 1 11 beam, into 15 beams. So, how you're going to do this, put 2 of the 3 prongs like that. Place this right there, like that. Place that beam on top. Voila. Now, you'll want a good bit of distance, but I would say that putting it like that would be the best option. Sorry, that's my little sister. She's a little weird. But that's awesome. Okay. Connect those pieces. And voila, you have the blade. Now the hinge. This is the easiest piece to make. You need three 3-prong and 1 3-beam. All you have to do is, okay, make sure that 2 of them are tan or just the loose ones, unlike the blue. Connect the two smooth beams on the outside, and then connect the smaller one in the inside. Now, make sure it's 1 hole in when you connect the blue, like that, or else it'll just be bad. It just won't work as well. Now, just connect your 2 pieces like normal. Okay, then you have that hinge piece. It's really simple, just do the same thing with the outside, with the other one. Voila, it's done. Now it's done. You made a Lego butterfly knife. Congratulations. And it shouldn't fall apart because of how it was made. So yeah, there you go. Lego butterfly knife.